Hey guys, welcome back to Ava's Flavor. I'm Ava, and on today's episode, I'm going to show you guys how to whip up some delicious, creamy, dreamy smoked Gouda mac and cheese. I actually did an episode on this a couple years ago, and that one's delicious too, but this one is just an updated version that I want to share with you guys. So it's so easy, I think I said that already, and creamy, and you're just gonna love it. So make sure you slap this in your recipe book, and you can change out the cheeses if you wanted, just kind of make it your own. It's so good. All right, let me show you guys how to slap it together.
Okay guys, so the first thing you're going to want to do is cook your 16 ounces of pasta, and we'll just set that to the side, and we're going to work on our roux. So first what you're going to do, over medium heat, you're going to melt 4 tablespoons of butter, add in 4 tablespoons of flour and a little pinch of salt, and we're just going to get in there and whisk this baby up. You're just going to want to keep on whisking and cook this for about a minute because you want to cook that raw flour taste out. So just keep on whisking, and it's really going to start to smooth out, and the butter and the flour are just going to blend so beautiful together. And we have our roux. Now we're going to make our white sauce. We're just going to add in our milk. I like to start with just a cup of milk and go in there and whisk really good. Just work out any of the flour clumps that might be left, and then add in your remaining 3 cups of milk. We're going to crank the heat up to medium-high heat, and we're going to bring that to a simmer, and it's going to start to thicken really beautifully. That takes about 10 to 15 minutes. I like to go in with a spoon, dip it in. If it comes out coated, that means it's ready for the cheese sauce. So you guys just made a white sauce. There you go. Or I did. I showed you how to make it. Whoopsie. Okay, so you're going to add in your cheese. I have 16 ounces of smoked Gouda here. You can definitely change this out. I like to do pepper jack with Velveeta is a really good mix. You just do what you want. Okay, so go ahead and turn the heat to low. The cheese is going to start to melt really beautiful, and once the cheese is melted, turn off the heat and dump in your macaroni. Mix that up so the pasta and the cheese gets married together and beautiful. You could slap this in a 9 by 13 dish, sprinkle some panko on the top with some butter, and get it nice and crispy. Who doesn't love a crispy top? Or you could add some bacon. That'd be beautiful too. All right, I hope you guys enjoy.